Hi everyone, and welcome back to 7ESL Learning English. Have you ever wondered how sentences are built in English? Well, it all starts with understanding the 8 parts of speech. In today's video, we'll break down each part, like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and more, using simple explanations, common words, and easy to understand examples. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this lesson will help you understand grammar better and speak more clearly in English. Let's get started. 1. Noun. Function. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Common words. Pencil, cat, work, notebook. Example sentences. This is my cat. 2. Verb. Function. A verb shows action or a state of being. Common words. Get, come, cut, open, like. Example sentences. I get a gift. 3. Adverb. Function. An adverb describes how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Common words. Silently, badly, really. Example sentences. My cat eats quickly. 4. Adjective. Function. An adjective describes a noun, how something looks, feels, or behaves. Common words. Small, big, good, blue. Example sentences. We like big cakes. Number 5. Pronoun. Function. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Common words. I, you, he, she, it. Example sentences. He is very clever. 6. Preposition. Function. A preposition links a noun to another word to show direction, place, or time. Common words. At, in, of, on, under, after. Example sentences. She was hiding under the table. 7. Conjunction. Function. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Common words. But, and, while, when. Example sentences. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. 8. Interjection. Function. An interjection is a short exclamation that expresses emotion. Common words. Oh, hi, ouch, wow. Example sentences. Wow, what a beautiful car. Great job! Now you know the 8 parts of speech in English and how they work together to form strong, clear sentences. From nouns and verbs to interjections, these building blocks will help you improve your writing, speaking, and understanding of English. Tell us in the comments, which part of speech do you find easiest or trickiest? We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another fun and helpful lesson with 7ESL Learning English. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.